Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover Roblox account or password without email. So for this purpose, first you need to open Google and go to search bar and search for Roblox. Then what you need to do, just go to your Roblox account. Then here you have the option of forgot password or username, just click on it. Once you click on it, then this will pop up on your screen. Here what you need to do, just enter your email, but here we can't continue with email, so here you have the option of use phone number to reset password, just click on it. Then here choose the country of which you have the number. Once you done this, then here what you need to do, just enter the number, and then here you have this continue option, click on it. Once you click on it, then you get verification code on your this phone number. Then what you need to do, just enter that 6-digit code here and then click on verify. If you didn't get the code, then click on resend code. Once you enter verify, your account is automatically recovered. So this is how you can recover account or password without email. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.